What's involved in a full brick restoration project? Brick restoration is a very comprehensive project that brings your masonry back to life. We start with a full inspection to identify damaged bricks, deteriorated mortar, water issues, and structural concerns. Next, we carefully remove and replace damaged materials, grind out and repoint mortar joints, and clean and seal the brick surfaces. The end result is a structure that's not only stronger, but looks a lot better. Whether it's a historic building or a modern home, we restore beauty and integrity brick by brick.